Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Ragni. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon, and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Friends, Ragni was born as Shamshed Begum in Gujranwala in 1924. Her mother died when Ragni was very young and her father, Seth Devan Parmanded, took her with him Lahore and they lived at the house of Fleming Road. In Lahore, filmmaker Roshan Lal Shore was a neighbor of Ragni and noticed her and convinced Devan to get Ragni act in films. She started her acting career in a film which launched by Roop K. Shore in the Punjabi film Dola Bhatti 1940 opposite M.D. Kanwar. The film was a major success and Ragni became a star overnight. Ragni went on the act in several Lahore-based productions in Hindi and Punjabi like Sethi Murad, Nishani, Ravipar, Punji, Dasi and Kaise Kahun. In 1945, she left Lahore for Bombay and teamed up with A.R. Kardar. Later, a Nek Parveen by S.M. Yusuf turned out to be one of her most memorable films. Ragni's role in the film Nek Parveen 1946 was another successful movie that consolidated her position as a top star. Filmmaker A.R. Kardar offered Ragni to play Ruhi in Shah Jahan. It is said that Ragni was paid ₹1 lakh for the film, making her the highest paid actress of that time. After the partition, Ragni chose to move to Pakistan, but he also done a couple of Indian movies which did not fare well. In 1949, she worked in her first film, which was a Punjabi film Mundri with Ilyas Kashmiri. Then she worked in film Akeli, Nazrana, Baidari, Kundan and Zanjeer. She also successfully performed a number of character roles in films such as Gumam, Gulam, Dunya, Namane, Mirza Jat and Abe Hayat. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.